How to turn off professional mode on your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily turn off the professional mode on your Facebook profile. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your correct profile. From here, you just want to head over to the top right corner and tap on the menu section. Here you will see the name of your profile. Just tap on your profile picture to head over to your profile. Now, if you already have your professional mode turned on, your profile should show you this professional dashboard right on top. Now, if you want to turn it off, what you need to do is first know what your professional mode does. So just tap on professional dashboard and you will be able to see all of the perks of having a professional profile. But somehow if you want to turn it off and get back to a normal profile, you just have to tap on these three dots right beside your name, and from here it will take you to your profile settings. Now right around the bottom you will see this option that says turn professional mode off. Just tap on this one and you can review some important changes before you turn off your professional mode. Tap on continue, and from here you can read through all of these. Tap on turn off, and once you do so, your professional mode will successfully be turned off. Now you can close this out, go back to your profile, refresh your profile, and your professional dashboard should be gone, which means that your professional mode has been successfully turned off. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.